All right, so if you have this Andersen door, you know what a pain in the ass it is. Because even if a wind blows it open, these things right here always freaking break on these doors. So you don't have to buy a new one. I know there's a video on YouTube saying that you can buy a Z-bar for 70 bucks, but you don't even have to do that. Andersen boasts about their lifetime warranty. Call them, let them know that you have this model door. It's on the inside door frame model, and let them know that this thing broke. Like half of America's things broke. And if you bitch enough, they send you this for free, as they should. And all you have to do to put it on is take the plastic strip off of here. It's going to come off. It's going to reveal the screws. Unscrew it. Do the same on the inside. I'll show you. Right here. Boom. There's a plastic strip in there. Peel it back. You'll see screws. You're going to unscrew it. We're going to unscrew the other side, and we're going to fix this freaking door. All right. Be back. All right. Progress. So when unhinging these guys, when unscrewing them, unscrew the top first, bottom first, leave that one to the middle, and put your foot under the door. All right, update. There is a screw up here. I can't get it. So I got this tool. Banga, banga, it's out. All right, that was a pain in the ass, but the whole thing is off. Recommendation, go on Amazon and buy one of these tools. I think the whole case for me was like 19 bucks. It's worth it, and you probably aren't gonna curse as much as I did. When you're attaching the door, start from the top, go to the bottom, and hold the door up the bottom of your foot. Zip it in, presto blammo. All right, don't forget to replace the trim. And if all is done right, no more slamming. Awesome. All right, guys, hope you have good luck as I did.